The generation of income for public university through space utilization and university facilities. Hi, salam. My name is Nur Hafiza and my group member are Amirul Nadim, Anwar Aiman, Nomi Shaida Arisa and finally Nurin Iyazi binti Rahman. This project was supervised under the supervision of Dr. Nur Aini binti Salleh. Introduction. The purpose of this project is to propose income generation ideas for financial sustainability of public university, as in Malaysia Education Blueprint 2050 until 2025, which is said the financial sustainability is aims to ensure the long-term financial sustainability of higher education system. The university are expected to strengthen their income generation management while staying focused on their core educational missions. In conjunction with this agenda, our group member need to work as property management team to brainstorming ideas for generate the income for our university UiTM. The objective is to identify space utilization and facilities of universities for income generation. The flow process started with idea brainstorming. Next, we finalize the proposed idea and finally, we upload the video in the YouTube. As we are unable to physically present it for discussion, we maximize the utilization of WhatsApp platform to discuss every possible ideas for generate public university income. And we upload our proposed income generation ideas in Padlet for Dr. Nur Aini evaluation.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amirul Nadim. So the first one for proposed facilities and rental space is self-printing kiosk. This can be located at every residential college. Income can be generated based on the sheets amount and color. More paper or color used, so more income will be generated. This service can provide 24 hours self-printing service for students. Demand in printing service is high as students usually want to print their notes and other stuff. Besides, this will save their time because this is located at every residential college as we can choose the closest print location. The next one is reverse vending machine. This will be located at each department for years. Income can be generated through indirect sale of recycled products to the third party. Every day, we make tons of solid waste. There are things which can be reused but we throw them away, so this will provide solution for the papers dumping or any recyclable products. For example, students use a lot of plastic bottles. They can donate or put their bottles at the machines for recycle purpose.
For next proposed facilities and rental space are Eco Bagi Car. We propose these facilities located at parking spaces behind GS building. These facilities can be generated based on trip per head for student at 2 ringgit Malaysia. By propose these facilities, the traffic in university can be improved and also the quality of air to avoid the air pollution. Moreover, this also become the optional transport student, especially for students who live in hostel. This will make them easier to move one place to one place within the campus, such as class or library. Next, Lake Cabin. We propose these facilities located at open space near to UiTM Sri Iskandar Lake. By propose these facilities, income can be generated by based on the rental per night at student price. For example, we propose 50 ringgit per night. These proposed facilities can give a temporary accommodation for student family who are visiting their children during weekend or short term. So they don't have to pay expensive and all-time full house in hotel near the university. For the next slide, I will pass to my group mate.
I'm Nurin. Now I will proceed the presentation. The next proposed facilities and rental space is student storage unit. It is important to have student storage unit because students don't have to worry about moving everything again. They can store their items in a storage unit that will help to reduce their stress caused by having to move everything multiple times. This storage unit can be located at each resident college like in College Indrasati or College Pasir Salah. In fact, it will generate more income based on the unit rent. The proposed solution is it also can provide temporary storage space for student items when they are going back to their hometown during semester break. Move to the next proposed facilities and rental space, which is pre-loved item shop. It can be located at any available or vacant shop lot in UiTM, like at the cafeteria. This also can generate more income through rent out the vacant space or shop. The proposed solution is it can provide affordable studying aids for students such as reference books, notes and second-hand items such as their shoes, blouse or maybe printer, laptop and many more. It is also encouraged for students to buy the second-hand items instead of buying the brand new in order to reduce waste and also help the planet. In this way, it is the ultimate way to live out the reduce, reuse and the recycle motto. The last proposed facilities is UPedia apps. It can generate more income through the apps creative in the application. These apps contain the information needed in order to use the facilities of spaces in UiTM. For example, the availability to book the cabin late, the availability pre-loved items, and also the availability of storage units.
And finally, we upload our videos in YouTube.
Firstly, student understanding. Based on this activity, all of us have agreed and understand that property management activities in public universities is very important. As we can see, without management and maintenance, all the utilities and facilities cannot be maintained and improved. Second, student participation. As group mates, all of us have been given our own tasks to complete this tutorial. For example, me, Aiman, and Nadim, we must take many photographs of building area and facilities in UiTM. Other group members have their own tasks such as preparing slide, editing video presentation, and many more. Brainstorming, discussing, and identify the idea is done by all of us in our group discussion. Third, students' creativity. All of these group members have shown critical thinking skills and creativity in order to complete this tutorial. For example, we propose many useful facilities and rental space such as self-printing kiosk, reverse vending machine, eco buggy car, lake cabin, student storage unit, pre-loved item shop, and UPedia apps. And lastly, interest in property management. We have agreed that this tutorial activity have attract our interest in this subject.
We believe the development of booking system application of the university have commercialization potential, and it can be used not only for UiTM but also for other universities.